Well, it's a very exciting day actually. We've got Honda joining us and they're bringing chassis FW11-02, so one of our championship winning cars from 1986. It's flown over from Japan. We're very excited to see it. We've not had that car at our home for a very long time, so it's wonderful to have that car back here and reunite it with sort of two of its family members. Behind me is an FW11 and an FW11B. One of the very first things we're going to do is laser scan the wings to understand exactly what wing profiles we're dealing with. We're going to strip that car, do a complete assessment, and hopefully working towards getting it ready for Goodwood Festival of Speed in 2025.